case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The outcome of Home Box Office Inc. vs. Federal Communications Commission, a 1977 case heard by the United States Court of Appeals for the District of Columbia Circuit, has shaped the television landscape we know today. A dispute arose when the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, sought to regulate cable television services in a manner similar to traditional broadcasters. The case mainly centered around the FCC's rules around subscription broadcast television and pay cable. Critics charged that these rules were arbitrary and unsupported by law, while the FCC maintained it had the right to monitor and regulate the cable industry to protect public interest. Another contentious point was the FCC's prohibition of advertising in subscription operations, which, according to the court, rendered pay cable services prohibitively expensive for the underprivileged. This was deemed particularly troubling, as the FCC's regulatory measures were inconsistent in addressing the needs of the socioeconomically disadvantaged. The case also broached the sensitive topic of ex parte communications and the government in the Sunshine Act's demand for transparency in government decision-making processes. Key presentations had been made ex parte during crucial stages of the proceeding, violating the doctrine and disregarding the requirement for public disclosure of relevant information gathered from public comments. On review, the court upheld FCC's jurisdiction over cable television, and its pay cable rules were also found valid. However, it sharply chastised the FCC for its arbitrary regulations of subscription broadcasting. It found the rules not only overly broad, but also in violation of the First Amendment. Adding to FCC's woes, the court disagreed with its creation of a rebuttable presumption of siphoning, terming the move as impermissible in the absence of clear record support. Despite upholding some of FCC's rules, the court set aside others and issued directions for further proceedings. The FCC was ordered to undertake additional steps and conclude its proceedings in docket 20402 within 180 days of the order. The case served as an important enforcer of measured regulation and transparency in a burgeoning media industry.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.